Hello from CES 2019. We're here with 3M. We're privileged to be here. Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
We have Marcello Napol. He's a director for medical device development, correct?
Correct.
And we have Mr. Kaufman. And what's your job at 3M?
I'm with new business development for 3M.
So they're here to update us on 3M's effort in medical device sphere. We reported last year about their efforts in adhesives. The focus of the company is still on adhesives, correct?
Correct.
But you also have some other announcement.
So yeah, the main focus of our business is to work with medical device companies, in particular in the medical wearable space. And our expertise is, as you mentioned, in adhesives, in particular stick to skin. But we also have a breadth of technology across 3M, which expands to the full stack of adhesives up into adhesion of the device and then construction adhesives, and componentry that can also go inside the medical device itself.
Tell us more. Last year you introduced findmyadhesive.com, which is a tool for companies to figure out what kind of adhesives they need, because there are various scenarios how adhesives could be used, in what situations, on what part of the body and so on. So what's the latest with the website?
Yeah, I think our experience is that it would be easy to think that adhering a medical device to the body is a trivial exercise. And what we're hearing from the marketplace through our experience on findmyadhesive.com is that it's really helping to simplify what is a pretty complex decision tree for people, and help them to funnel down based on their clinical need, the patient type, and the application that they require to choose the right adhesive to begin with. And so we're getting some really strong feedback from the marketplace, design engineers in particular. This is really helping to simplify a very complex process.
Yeah, I think for the most part, as we go through and we deliver adhesives, really adhesives are the way of us delivering our science and technology to help people develop products that they want to monitor, they want to wear daily, to understand their vitals, to really have a healthy lifestyle. And we believe that our science and technology can help enable that in the future.
What about smart adhesives? I see some of them here in the display. Is that
Yeah, I mean, obviously, we see a few trends as this medical wearable space has developed, and a couple of the trends are twofold. One, on one side, we're seeing the need to extend the wear time of a medical device, and so we're really pushing the envelope. In the last year and a half or so, we have launched 2 products in the extended wear platform for medical wearable adhesives, out to 14 days wear time, which is really pushing the envelope for what is physiologically possible. As you know, the skin regenerates every 14 days. So that's been really successful. We have a number of development programs along that path. One of the other areas that we see from a trends perspective is sensitivity. And so through silicone and some other technologies, also seeing a number of development programs related to sensitive skin, to elderly, younger patients, more fragile skin, and so there's a great interest in that area. So 2 very different applications, but equally interesting to the marketplace.
And I would say we say smart adhesives, but it's really about providing a smart solution to the end manufacturer. And I can show you some of that too with some of these examples. So as Marcello was saying, we've got new adhesives that can last for 14 days. That's also a challenge when you think about the biological organism, the skin that you're sticking to. So we've developed adhesives that are very aggressive, that are meant to stick and adhere to the skin extremely well for the duration of the monitoring period. But if you have somebody that has a very fragile skin, maybe they've got a chronic condition, and we're seeing that some here at CES too, where people are now evolving from active wear to really, can you monitor my health? I'm not an active lifestyle, I've got a chronic condition, can you provide me a solution? We do have silicone adhesives that are very gentle, that don't adhere to some of the hairs and everything, and when you think about skin that can be very frail and fragile, that's an issue. So we've got solutions for that. In other cases too, we've got products where people want things to be transparent. They want things that are going to adhere, and traditionally this has been very difficult. So something that's very low profile, something that's transparent, because other things that we're looking at is devices, wearables that are somewhat invisible to our lifestyle. We want to monitor, but we don't want something that's clunky and something that's really going to show off. So we want something invisible, but can we provide them solutions that we can just take off easy, it's still gentle to the solution, gentle to the skin, and still provide that low profile, long-term wear solution that people are looking for in their designs.
Is this similar to Tegaderm?
So like that, what 3M does is we take technologies from across the corporation and we adapt them for those models. This type of technology has very similar properties to that, but might be used in a different way.
Yeah, Tegaderm is less stretchy, I think. It's a little bit more stiff.
Yeah, and Tegaderm is great, especially in a wound care professional environment. We offer solutions. We'll take those same technologies and adapt them for our customers that are designing wearables.
But you mentioned 3M Tegaderm brand, and it's one of the key brands on our professional medical side, and really that's one of the keys to our.
We use it like water.
Yes, I'm sure you do. And so we leverage that know-how and understanding over 50 years in the medical adhesive space, and we bring that know-how, that trust, and that understanding to the OEM space and help people design better products to stick to the skin, leveraging our own technology and capability.
And furthermore, once we have that same type of Tegaderm technology, now we can take those same technologies that are maybe in other areas of 3M. When we take a look at electronic components, we take a look at assembly adhesives, we'll take that entire experience and be that conduit for wearable manufacturers and provide them kind of an overall solution set. And if we can help them maybe take 3 or 4 solutions, combine that into an overall solution, that's going to help you get faster to market, it's going to reduce your supplier risk, and also have the knowledge and expertise that's gained from all these different industries and bring you a solution that hopefully is useful for your device design.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Michael. Appreciate the opportunity.
Thank you.